Hello, today we're gonna introduce 4 kilovolt petrol inverter generator. Before starting the generator, we need to do some preparatory work. First of all, read the instructions carefully. Second, fill 1.1 liters oil. Make sure the oil level is 2/3 between high line and low line. Then tighten the oil aid. Third, keep at least 5 liters number 19 or 92 gasoline in the fuel tank. Fourth, connect the power cable at the end of the generator. Everything is ready. We can start the generator now. First, turn the fuel switch to the running position. There are 3 options to start the generator. Pull the handle or press the electric start button, and you can also press the turn on button on the remote control. Boom! The generator's on. When you finish the work, if using the generator to supply power to the low voltage apparatus, such as charge the power bank and cell phone, you can choose the energy safe mode, but choose normal mode if for high voltage apparatus. When you finish the work, how to turn off the generator? Turn the fuel switch off, turn the electric start switch off, or press the turn off button on the remote control. If the generator stops working more than 10 days, please disconnect the battery power aid and empty the oil. The end. Wish you and your family have a nice holiday.